So kindly click on the Shop Neolife link that have been posted to you. You will be directed to the replicated site directly, which is the shopneolife.com. Then you wait on it load. You will see Neolife. Have you seen that? That is Neolife. Upgrade your health and science-based nutrition. This is the replicated site. You see a lot of product on the site. A company without a product is a 419 company. So a company that produces product is a legitimate company. So then you stroll to business kits. Then when you get to business here, you click on business kits. So it's loading. Take your time. Now it has opened. Sign up and save. Have you seen that? Then you need to select your markets. You need to select your market. That means your country. Maybe you might be a Ghanaian, you might be from Canada, Cameroon, Benin, Botswana, Kenya, Mexico, Mozambique, New Zealand, Nigeria, and Ghana. So when you select your country, they will identify you as a Ghanaian. Then you see that distributor. Join as a distributor. Let us pay for your sharing Neolife and help us end the trend of poverty. So that is how you go through it downward. You scroll down, you see become a distributor. Become a distributor. You go through that. You make sure that you click on become a distributor. Become a distributor. That is our agent number down there. It will load. Become a distributor. It will load and bring you to the direct place of getting started. So you see secure checkout. Then you see different kind of kits to start with their amount that will be paid direct, strictly online. This is strictly online. So immediately you just go straight to trainer starter kits. Don't waste your time at all here. Just go to don't click on the French because you are not a Togolese. But if you are a Togolese, you can click on the French. Then you go back to trainer starter kit, which is English. Then it will mark selected. Have you seen that? Don't worry about the 34 PV in the bracket. I will explain that later to you. Those who get started will know more about that. So now we are going to get started into everything. The details have been provided, signing up and information. Are you seeing that? Now you can begin to earn. Immediately you fill your form, you can begin to earn 3% cashback. So imagine you just getting started as a free member and you begin to earn 3% cashback. That is the type of product, the series of product A to Z that the company produce. As you can see that's we are strolling up. Yes, you can see that. So that is the product that the company produce. A lot of them. Then you press skip. You don't have to waste much of your time there because you want to get registered. So you were referred by FEMI. That's the person who have referred you through the replicated site you join with the Neolife ID. When you also partner, the company will also provide you a Neolife ID. So fill your personal information. Go through them one by one. If there's anything you don't understand, you can get back to us. You can ask a question. Ensure that as you are doing this work, you are screenshots it and then you are giving us a feedback on our WhatsApp platform. It's very important. When you get to account information, you provide everything there. How will you receive your product, your parcel? Where do you want the company to deliver your kits and literature back to? And make sure that you click on I want to pick out myself, or you want the company to send it to you. Billing and payment. Then you go to save and continue. If you found this video very educative, please like, subscribe and comment. So thank you for watching.